Hi everyone! I'm going to be going over your asynchronous or your off Zoom assignment for today. So we are going to be practicing some important vocabulary for our energy unit. So number one, you will click on the link below for Quizlet. And you're going to start with the flashcard option to practice all 13 words. You do not need to have a Quizlet account to play. If you already have one, I would suggest signing in, but if you don't have one, that's okay too. So first just go through the words and look at each word and the definition. Once you get through all 13 words, then you're going to choose the learn option to check and see how many words you remember, and you can kind of keep practicing. Once you've done the learn option, number 3 is the matching game. You're going to play the matching game. And you can play the other ones too, but try out the matching game. This is to help check and see that you're starting to remember what some of these words mean. And you're trying to drag the word over on top of the definition. So like I'm going to take the word chemical energy and I'm going to try to slide it on top of the definition. Same here with the word energy. If I slide it on top of the definition, it disappears. And that's the matching game. Again, you do not need a Quizlet account to play. If you already have one, I do want you to sign in. But please follow those 3 steps on our Google Classroom page. Have fun and practice on your own time. And I will see some of you on Thursday, April 15th if you're in Group A and choosing hybrid. And then I will see some of you if you are in Group B and choosing hybrid on Friday, April 16th. Have a great week, everybody.